Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work with a pyramid candle using the Pyramid Candle Spell Kit that's available on my site. Now, pyramid candle spells are something special because they are used for building something strong and long-lasting. Now, depending on the color of candle you choose, you can direct that strong, building, long-lasting energy toward a specific intention. For example, if you wanted to build a strong and long-lasting love, you would get a red pyramid candle. If you wanted to build a strong and long-lasting friendship or a new romance, you would use a pink candle. If you wanted to build strong and long-lasting prosperity, you'd use a green pyramid candle. If you wanted your health to improve and get steadily better over time, then you would use a blue candle. If you wanted to have protection that got stronger and stronger, you could use a black candle. If you wanted power that increased over time, you would use a purple candle. If you had a court case where you wanted things to get better over time and you really wanted to build a strong court case, you would use a brown pyramid. If you wanted your blessings to increase over time and get stronger and stronger, you could use a white pyramid candle. And if you wanted your luck to improve, you could use a yellow candle. Now, in our example today, we're going to be using an orange candle, and orange candles are used for new ventures and new opportunities. So let's say you wanted to have more opportunities show up for you, or you wanted to start a new venture, then an orange pyramid candle is the perfect candle to use. When you get the spell kit, you're going to get the candle, but you're also going to get an oil, and in this case, an open roads oil that goes along with that opening up of new ventures. And you're going to get packets of herbs and the spell instructions. Those are everything that comes with the spell kit. You're going to have to gather a few extra things from your house. You're going to have to get a dish or a tray to burn your candle on, a petition paper, a small piece of paper to write your petition on, a nail or some kind of implement with a sharp point that you can inscribe on the wax of the candle, a pen or a pencil to write your petition, and then a brown bag or a piece of cloth that you can wrap your spell remains in once the spell is complete. So once you've gathered all of that stuff, you've got the spell kit, you're ready to get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to write your petition. That helps you to focus. What is it that you want the spell to accomplish? In this case, starting a new venture, and you want that venture to be very successful. So you could write something like success with my new venture and more opportunities. That's perfect for an orange pyramid candle. You want to think about things that are increased and getting strong and are long lasting. We'll set that aside for now, and then we're going to work with the candle. So using the nail or the sharp implement, you're going to write your petition. You can write your name, you can write words of what it is that you want. You can write on all four sides of the pyramid. Just make sure that the words that you write are all about the same topic. So you wouldn't, for example, put love and money on the same candle because those are not the same topic. But you could put anything related to your success. So you could write success, you could write your name, you could write opportunities, and so on this candle. So we're going to just write our name first, and I am writing it in a way that is a very special way of writing for increase. I'm writing my name going from the base toward the wick, right? We're writing it so it goes up. Same thing. We're going to write success or whatever it is that we're wanting. You can write the same word over and over again if you want, just success, opportunities, or whatever, and write on all four sides of the candle. Once you've done that, now you're ready to dress that candle. You're going to take the open roads oil in this case, or whatever oil is included with your spell kit. You're going to put a few drops on your hands, and then you're going to apply that to the candle from the base toward the wick. So you're going to push it up. As you do that, you can speak your intention about what it is that you're wanting. Say your prayer or your wish, and put that oil on the candle on all four sides. Now, we're going to use our 4 herbs and put those around the candle. First, we're going to put our petition paper, fold it toward us. If you want to fold it more than once, you can turn it clockwise and then fold it towards you again. Place that on the tray and then place your candle on top of it. Now we're ready to work with those herbs. Taking those herbs, we're going to put one herb on each side of the candle. So we'll take the first packet and make a little pile of those herbs on one side. As we do that, we can speak the wish of what it is that we're wanting. Take the second packet, open it up, place a little pile of those herbs on another side of that pyramid, speaking this intention of what it is that we're wanting, our wish. Say whatever's on your heart. May success come to me easily. May my opportunities open up. Take that third one, put it on the third side, and then the last packet of herbs we're going to place on the fourth side. Now there's a numerological significance to this. The number 4 in numerology is about steadiness, strength, and so on. Now when we place those herbs on all 4 sides, we're reinforcing that idea that we're building something strong and long-lasting, that this is something that's going to carry us through our entire lifetime, or something we're building for the future, something really, really solid. So we're putting that as number 4, the 4 sides of the pyramid, the 4 different herbs, and we're reinforcing that number 4. Now we're ready to light our candle. As we light our match, use our match or our lighter, we're going to light that candle. We're going to speak our intention. May opportunities come easily to me. May my opportunities increase. May my new venture, my new job, my new business, whatever it is, really be strong and long-lasting and bring me abundance, bring me success, and so on. There we go. You burn your candle. Of course, as with all candles, you want to be aware of a candle. You want to burn it when you're awake and you're at home. If you leave your house or you go to sleep, you snuff the candle out, you don't blow it out, and then you relight it when you come back. Once the candle has burned completely, you've sent that spell out there, and you're ready to wrap up the remains of your spell. Take the herbs and the leftover wax, and you put that in a paper bag, or you wrap that up in a cloth and put it somewhere in your house. Keep it until your spell manifests, or you can bury it in your yard, and that's a very good way to keep that energy going. So there you have it. A beautiful pyramid candle spell done with a pyramid candle spell kit that's available at parlorofwonders.com. I'm Madam Pamita. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.